Magandang araw mga ka-faith friends. Ako nga pala si Crystal Canlas, ang inyong Gospel Reflection Sharer para sa araw na ito. At ang Gospel para sa araw na ito ay John chapter 10 verses 28 to 31 na pinamagatang Jesus is the way to our eternity. So, let's start! Jesus teaches about the eternity, security of believers, and their relationship with God. He promises to give them eternal life, assuring that they will never perish and that no one can snatch them out of His or the Father's hand. Jesus acknowledged the greatness of the Father, emphasizing His superiority over all. He declares His oneness between Himself and the Father, highlighting their unity. These verses offer comfort, assurance, and encouragement, affirming that believers are securely held by God and reminding them of the eternal nature of their relationship with Him. These verses convey a message of assurance, protection, eternal nature of the relationship between believers and God through Jesus Christ. They emphasize the unbreakable bond between Jesus and His followers, and the ultimate security found in the hands of God. These reflections invite believers to find comfort, confidence, and encouragement in the unshakable promises of Jesus. They remind us of the eternal nature of our relationship with God, the security we have in His hands, and the unity we share with Jesus through faith. Yun lamang po para sa araw na ito. Para manatili kang updated, please do subscribe on Facebook YouTube channel, download the Facebook app, or you can visit and register to www.facebook.ph. Yun lang, thank you at muli, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat.